Replacing the needle plate. Use the straight stitch needle plate when needed. Press the lockout key. Raise the presser foot lifter. Hook your fingers in the hollow on the left side of the extension table. Pull the cover toward you to open it. Insert the screwdriver into the needle plate release hole under the needle plate. Pull up the screwdriver. A message will appear warning that the needle plate is not secured. Remove the needle plate by lifting it to the right. When removing the needle plate, make sure the needle plate does not hit the free arm or other parts. Insert the left edge of the straight stitch needle plate into the opening and attach the needle plate. A confirmation message will appear. Turn the hand wheel slowly and check that the needle does not hit the needle plate. Be sure the proper foot is attached to the machine. Press the X key. Press the lockout key to unlock the machine.